Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about face normals, what they are, what they do, and how you can spot them. I'll also show you how to view normals properly, because starting with Blender 4.4 and newer, a few things have changed, and the default behavior isn't quite the same as in older versions. So if you're used to how normals worked in previous Blender versions, don't worry, I'll show you how to get that familiar setup back. In Blender, when people say the normals are bad, it usually means the faces are pointing in the wrong direction. To check this, go into edit mode and turn on face orientation. When a face is blue, it's pointing outward, which is what we want. If it shows up red, that face is pointing inward. Incorrect face orientation can cause all kinds of issues with shading, lighting, and rendering, so it's definitely something you want to catch early while modeling. What I've done to demonstrate face normals is subdivide the default cube and flip a few of the faces. To get started, select the cube and press tab to go into edit mode. Now to show the face orientation, go up to overlays and enable face orientation. You'll notice that only the red faces are showing. This is a change that was introduced in Blender 4.4 and newer, and in a moment I'll show you how to fix that. The reason this happens is because the opacity of the blue color has been set to 0%. To fix this, open the edit menu and go to Preferences. Then head into the Themes section, open 3D Viewport, and look for Face Orientation, Front. Increase the alpha value, which controls the opacity, to something higher than 0. Once you close the Preferences window, you should now see the blue faces showing up properly. Now let's flip all the face normals so they're facing the right way. Press A to select the entire cube, then press Shift+N. This recalculates the normals so they face outward. Next, we're going to flip only a few specific faces. Hold Shift and click to select the faces you want to flip. Once you've selected them, press Alt+N and choose Flip. And that's it for this tutorial on face normals and how to show them in newer versions of Blender. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. I'd also love to hear any tips or feedback on how I can make these videos even better. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram and share your projects with me there. And of course, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Blender tutorials. Thanks for watching.